Hello everybody, Jackson here from the Wall Squad. Today we'll be talking about crypto because right now it's tanking. As you can see, the past 24 hours, Bitcoin down 18%, Ethereum down 18%, Solana down 22%, Cardano down 22%, Avalanche down 23%, Polkadot 25%, Dogecoin 30%, and you can see that was just 30, right? It's 26 now. Shiba down 24%, crypto down 25%. So a whole bunch, every single crypto is falling, right? Let's check on TradingView to get more accurate prices. And we see, let's just check on Bitcoin. So just within the last, here actually, we could see day. We're going to go to minute. You can see the wild price action within Bitcoin within a minute, right? Within 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 minutes. And went down a total of 12%, right? And in any regulated market, of course, the stock would be, the asset in question would be halted because even a 7% drop within a day and the market's halted. So crypto's tanking right now. That's for sure. If you're an investor in crypto, it's time to buy in. Like SOL around 180 is a good deal. And you can see it's actually starting to come back up, but it's still cheap relative to 10 minutes ago. So be sure to look out for crypto prices. Hopefully when you're watching this, prices are different. Maybe they're down more and you should buy more, or they're up and your positions are doing pretty good. So hopefully this video reaches you. But in terms of, let's actually look at the chart here, right? So huge price action just within the last week. You can see a candle from 57 to 47, and now we're at the this is the 50 moving average, right? So you can see within the last couple months we hit the once, twice, and now we're hitting 3 times off the 50-day moving average on the 5-year chart of Bitcoin, right? So this is not a bad sign. It's a good sign to buy in if you are looking to get in some Bitcoin. But just because of this moving average, as well as a huge decline in prices within a week, right? More than we've seen in the past couple months besides May. And then also some other coins like Ethereum, still relatively high. You might be better off buying stuff besides Ethereum just because it's still pretty dang high compared to the last couple of months. But SOL looking pretty cheap. Aave looking very, very, very cheap. Avalanche looking very cheap as well. We have Link looking super cheap. Sushi looking super cheap. So if I were you, I'd be looking at the cheap stuff like Sushi Swap, Chainlink, not necessarily Matic. Avalanche is pretty cheap. Aave very cheap. Polkadot very cheap. Cardano pretty dang cheap. Really, if you have cash, it's kind of time to deploy some, at least in crypto prices now. And that's a call for everyone holding cash. Just consider buying crypto right now. Stock market's falling, crypto's falling. It's time to get invested if you aren't already. So I hope this video reaches you and you're looking at crypto as a buying opportunity, not a panic sell. In that case, I will leave you to it, but that's the video, guys. Just looking at crypto. It's a pretty indifferent time. You shouldn't be scared, more like opportunity frenzy, right? With cheaper prices than we're seeing just 3 weeks ago, it's absurd not to be buying when you were buying or holding at that price. So I hope this makes sense. Hope you buy some crypto. And that's the video, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you Monday.